G'day, Fussy the painter. The year's flying by, which means Christmas is just around the corner. So I want to do a fun little activity with Christmas trees for the kids. I bought a couple of miniature ones online and also some little Christmas decos with some bright paint colours that Christmas with colour and some glitter. We're going to turn these into a really fun activity for the kids to do. Let's get into it. We've got some fabulous colours and we're going to do the Christmas colour theme. So yep, red, white and green. So we'll use those and some fabulous products from Monarch to help, stirring sticks, little pots to hold the paint. And then you want little brushes because what we're doing is tiny. So we've got two choices here. The little Monarch sample pot paintbrush, which are nice and small and easy for kids to hold, or even what's called a little lining fits that painters use. And they're just tiny, tiny brushes with long handles. Great for painting small projects. Right, so let's do our first piece. Nothing hard about this. I'm going to use the red. Paint the first piece, and remember every third piece will be red. Now probably a little tip from me is when you're painting, don't try and do the whole thing. Paint one half, sit it down and let it dry, that way it won't stick to the drop sheet, and then later you can flip them over and paint the other half. Rather than working out of your paint pots, these little paint trays are fantastic because they're designed for small projects. They hold paint easily and your little brush, so much safer, and you won't have any paint spills. While I'm painting the star and the reindeer with this white, and I want to create a little bit of white Christmas, so I'm just going to flick my little brush over the top of what I've just done with all my trees with some white paint on it, and flicking the little paint all over the tree bits, and all of a sudden they get some white splatters on them. And who knows, it looks like it's snowing. Now it's time to give them a real sparkle with the glitter. And what I've done is in this container, there's a water-based clear, and if you look closely, you should be able to see that there's a lot of glitter mixed in with that water-based clear. So what we'll do with that is we'll pick up a piece of our tree and we'll just brush that on, and it's not going to change the colour of what's already on there. But by adding the glitter, it's going to really sparkle. Now, just like when we paint it, we'll do half of it, let it dry, and then we'll flip it over. So there's a transformation for you. In one day, this is what we created. We turned this, which we bought online, into this, just using some imagination, some great Christmas colours, some glitter, and some help from Monarch's great little paintbrushes. The kids are going to love doing these, and it's easy to do. So, from me to you, Fussy the painter, give the kids a happy and merry Christmas.